I don't know what he
I have a stack of stuff here.
I'll keep looking at this.
Wow, Plushtopia. Whoa. He's cool. Don't Feed Freddy 2001. What is this?
Wow.
Oh, this guy's cool.
Yeah, I mean, fun stuff right there. Thank you. Thank you.
How much are your plush?
50 cents each.
Nice.
He's great.
He's awesome. I don't know what he does, but it looks like he's fun.
He does burps and stuff and some noises that's like not.
Well, it says you shouldn't feed him. It says don't feed Freddy.
Oh yeah, he's like obnoxious.
I love it. What's this say? Hone priced DVD?
All of them are $2 each, 3 for
Okay.
$5, unless I have a little sticky R on it, and I only have like
Okay, I
a
see
couple
you.
seasons. That was it.
Gotcha.
And the other one fell off. I need to put it back because that's not cool.
For this one? Yeah.
But I mean, it's pretty obvious, but still.
Yeah.
And somehow I have 2 seasons, the first and second season game front.
That's kind of cool.
I'm just gonna stop. Thanks.
That'd
Sorry.
be fun.
If I don't do it now, then I'll forget. Basket of balls.
Nice. Is this like some sort of transformer? Maybe. The wind is going crazy. Uh-oh. Dominoes. Huh. Wait, you gotta lift this one first. You gotta lift this one first. Oops, sorry. Sorry.
That was funny.
Sorry.
Emma's hung me up there.
That did happen at our yard sale, though.
Yeah,
Like 10 times.
the wind took our
I feel like if I put this back, it's just gonna fall again. Let's see.
The wind came up and it's like,
Right here. What is that? Oh, Spice World. I did watch that movie.
sure he did.
They were like saving the world or something.
I don't know if he had the outside. Let's see if they're Christmas
Lamaze and Your Baby. Marilyn. Oh, that was a classic.
Robo.
I kind of want Spice World.
That's why I said, hey, bring back
Great
the
film.
memories.
Oh, guess I'm buying that one.
You know this opens. We can consolidate that. I got it. You guys.
The Longest Day. Is this a VHS?
I've been wanting to know about that egg for a long time. It looks like it wants to open, but it can't. And I really honestly don't know what it is. And I've played with it before, and I just pull up someone to figure that out.
Amber Spyglass.
If something happens to you that you don't think is supposed to happen to you,
Ab Lounger.
that was
This is.
from,
I have a 16-year-old. He's turned 16.
$5
that was
bucks.
from 2013. Doug, you made that for DJ, right?
Revised. This is
Or
09.
2011.
Oh, 9.
This is the 09.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was like, that would be too crazy. That was the right one.
Do you think they updated it since then?
This is the 09 version.
This is North Carolina.
Kind of expensive though too.
Children of the Great.
If you can find 3, it's 3 for $5.
If you guys are like kind of looking for anything fun or specific, I might have it in the house. I just forgot to put
Any
it out.
action figures? I have a bit of a action figure addiction.
What kind of like action figures?
I don't know, anything. Superheroes, Ninja Turtles, anything. Transformers, yeah,
I wish I had all my G.I. Joe.
any sort of,
Hey Doug, will you help me with these clothes over there, and then I'm gonna go look. I think I got some stuff.
Every one of my
He likes videos.
Thundercats.
mid 1980s toys
Yeah.
went in a dumpster in 1996. And I had,
brutal.
and I don't know if you do toys at all, but I mean, I regret it. I had things today that I would love to have. Like I had one of my favorite things. I'd like the cast metal like Voltron lions.
Wow.
This is not an action
That's
figure,
cool.
but I meant to put this out. And I
Oh, interesting, yeah. Mechano or whatever?
never know.
Yeah.
Somebody might come by.
Yeah, that's sad. I think my mom got rid of a lot of my stuff too.
I mean, I had,
Slowly
like,
trying to
G.I.
re...
Joes, like the Pterodome I had an aircraft carrier.
Wow.
All just threw them away.
I found at a yard sale last weekend a bunch of micro machines.
Oh, really?
And I bought them all. I was like, yeah, I gotta get these.
I wish that's the
Yeah.
one thing I wish. I remember the day I was actually doing it with my mom. We were cleaning stuff out.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna look at these plush. I'm going down the rabbit hole. The plush rabbit hole. Alright. 1994 Liberty Toy Company. That's cool. This dino my daughters would love. He's dirty. I'll try it. Bug Bunny. 50 cents. Oh, Tina, do they have this Beanie Baby? A dragon? That's cool. Precious moment. Yeah. For 50 cents. Why not? It's like some sort of Barney looking thing. Oh wow.
I don't know.
Found something. And a little bit of a plush.
Oh, plush is great.
A plush craze there. I don't know, Tina. That's cool.
Well, I'm looking for another bin. I'm thinking about getting you another bin so you can put it in the bin. Oh, here.
Oh, like transfer one to another?
Yeah, here's a box here.
Okay. Cool.
Don't break the ends. But yeah, feel free to put stuff.
Okay, thank you. This is cool. It actually like breaks when you crash it. That's neat.
Gum and Starburst.
That's two interesting combinations there. Oh, cars.
Yeah, that was from my son's closet. He's 24 now.
We have these shirts too.
Which ones? Oh, yeah.
The PE shirts.
Yeah, I found that and with the shorts. I put them all together over there.
That's
So
cool.
I was like,
This is part of a Healy shoe.
No
Remember the
way!
shoes? Yeah. Random.
I guess I can throw that out.
No, if you don't have the Heelys anymore. Oh, that's cool.
Something
Men in Black.
folding, and I didn't know what it was for, and I kind of want to show it to you.
Yeah, I might know.
It had Asics on it, you know, like Asics shoes.
Yeah.
And it was blue,
Hmm.
and it looked like
I don't see it.
a wrench type thing. And I thought it was, and when I first saw it, I thought about Heelys for whatever reason.
It could be, yeah, the thing to pop the Heelys out.
Mm-hmm. It might be random.
Nope, that's
no, she wore it, yeah.
She wears a shirt.
She wore it with, like, tight pants underneath.
Yeah, like leggings.
Yeah.
My daughter does not like
But the big
What is
size
this?
is in.
Zoo York.
That looks like it fits. Oh, see, that's why I was
Yes.
staring at it so hard, thinking that.
I do not buy a shirt, are you?
I'm buying a bunch of stuff. Yeah, I am buying a shirt. In my pile up there. Alright. What it needs. Creative recreation. Weird.
Did you eat your eggs and brunch?
No, I didn't fit. And I was like,
Yeah, classic.
Yes.
It's getting about time to watch it too.
It is. That's Thanksgiving Friday for us.
Yeah.
We do it every day.
No, it's
Friday
just the
after Thanksgiving.
I don't know what he
I have I have a stack of stuff here.
I'll keep looking at this. It's just the clothes.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, no, my kids will
$1, $2,
appreciate it.
3, nope, 4,
There's a shirt that I had
5,
that I was thinking
and then these are
about.
50 cents.
She's taking some
So 7, and then I don't know what these little things are. Yeah, $8.
$8 perfect.
Yeah.
No, you don't.
7,
Yeah,
11.
I've got, and every time I buy one, it breaks. So I got the what are those called? Rails.
Rails, yes.
Yeah, yeah, that's fun. I got into that with my my rollerblades for a while, but too old now. Break my
I
hip.
thought these were done. Look.
Oh, nice. All right, is the car unlocked? I'll put this in.
Yeah, I was gonna try to find the shirt.
Okay.
I can give them to my phone.
All right. Well, if you really need one, this one's cool. If you're desperate for a shirt,
You'll wear it.
maybe it's kind of cool.
I was trying to see.
But if you find something better, this can be your last resort. All right, thank you guys. Hey everyone, how's it going? So this yard sale we were at for quite a while. We probably hung out there around 30 minutes. Very nice couple. We ended up just chatting, things like that. But we did find a lot of cool stuff as well. I got a bunch of plush in there that were pretty valuable. I would say at least $60 worth of plush. And I got some fun toys like the Men in Black memory eraser, which was kind of cool. I don't think that's worth much. I just wanted it. I did leave behind the ab lounger. I know you can part those out to make some money, but I didn't have anywhere to store it. My little area in my garage is pretty full, so I didn't want to overstuff my garage any further. And I got that really cool Zoo York shirt that I'm probably going to throw on a Whatnot auction and see what I can get for it. I'm hoping to get like $5-10 for it, but we'll see. Could be more, could be less. I paid 50 cents, so no biggie either way. And then I grabbed some VHS because Kevin the Commonwealth Picker keeps telling me to, and they weren't really worth anything, so I guess I learned my lesson there again. I keep buying them and they keep having no value. Anyways, thank you guys for coming. Not a ton of profit today, but we definitely had a nice time, and I thought you might enjoy coming along for the ride. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button. We'll see you next time.